No active cases and no new cases of COVID-19 in NZ 1:27 p.m. on 8th June 2020. Share this, share on Twitter, share on Facebook, share via email, share on Reddit, share on LinkedIn. There are no active cases and no new cases of COVID-19 in New Zealand, the Ministry of Health has confirmed. Super close-up coronavirus COVID-19 in human lung body green background. Science microbiology concept. Red coronavirus outbreak epidemic. Medical health virology infection 3D illustration rendering photo 123 RF. The ministry says they were notified by Auckland Regional Public Health that its remaining case has been symptom-free for 48 hours and is regarded as recovered. The person has now been released from isolation, they said. Their case had been linked to the St. Margaret's Hospital and Rest Home cluster in Auckland. This is really good news for the person concerned, and it's also something the rest of New Zealand can take heart from, Director General of Health Dr. Ashley Bloomfield said in a statement. The ministry said the individual was listed earlier on as a probable case but was removed when they tested negative for COVID-19. Then at a later date when they again became unwell, they tested positive. They were then included in the national tally as a confirmed case, the ministry said. Dr. Bloomfield said it's the first time since 28 February that there have been no active cases. There are also no new cases of COVID-19 in New Zealand for the 17th day in a row, and no further deaths. The last reported new case of COVID-19 in this country was on 22nd May. There was no stand-up today from the Ministry of Health. Instead, Dr. Bloomfield will be attending a media conference at 3 p.m. where the Prime Minister will be giving an update after Cabinet's meeting to decide whether to move to Alert Level 1. If you have symptoms of the coronavirus, call the NZ COVID-19 Health Line on 0800-358-5453 plus 649-358-5453 for international SIMs, or call your GP. Don't show up at a medical center. The total number of confirmed cases remains at 1,154. The combined total of confirmed and probable cases remains at 1,504. The number of recovered cases is now 1,482. And there is no one in hospital receiving care for COVID-19. The ministry said 800 tests were completed yesterday, bringing the total number of tests completed to date to 294,848. 8 significant clusters have closed, which isn't changed from yesterday. The NZ COVID Tracer app has had 522,000 registrations, an increase of 5,000 since this time yesterday. No caption photo. Our NZ Cabinet is today deciding whether to loosen restrictions to Alert Level 1 while keeping the borders closed. National Party leader Todd Muller said every day of Level 2 was another blow for businesses and there can be no justification for remaining in it. Finance Minister Grant Robertson said he was as keen as anyone to move to Level 1, but Cabinet's decision would be informed by the latest advice.